Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. Okay, honeys, we are on a roll today. I am trying to make as many videos as I can for you guys today. Today will be the last day that I'll be making some Mother's Day last minute gift ideas. So I'm trying to bang out at least 3 videos for you guys, okay? So we did this one earlier, which is how to create this really lovely treat that we did together. This turned out so pretty. I loved it. If you guys haven't seen the video for this, I will link it at the bottom of this video so you can go take a look. You see how simple it is to create, and you're going to love me for it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think, okay? Very good. We're gonna do some note cards today. You guys know how much I love my note cards. Simple, easy note cards for Mother's Day. Last minute, you're a working mom, working dad, don't have time to stop by and get cards. I'm gonna show you how to make some simple ones, okay? I'm gonna show you how to make these really adorable little mini cards. I love them. They turned out so beautiful. I love every single one of them. I love them all. So let me show you, okay? Let's talk papers. Papers are very important. I'm using this paper that you have here. Beautiful print, lovely floral. This is from the English Rose Garden paper pad. You guys know how obsessed I am with the paper pad. I must have about 12 of those pads upstairs. I'm not even kidding you. Every time I go into Michael's and they have the paper pads on sale, I grab one. I love it. So that's what we're going to do. For the note card, I do things very simple. If you guys watch me on my other videos, you know that I hate measuring stuff. I really suck at it. And I just don't like making things complicated. I like making things simple, and I like making things easy. I don't really have any measurements to make the note cards other than I use like one of these mini note cards from Michael's. I use this as a sample or as a template, and I make my own little mini cards using one of these. The envelope, I like to buy them also at Michael's. They sell these individual little envelopes that are 25 in a pack. I know, you can make your own. It's very easy, but you know me, right? I ain't gotta tell you. Okay, let's get started because I want to make this video 10 minutes or less. Ha! That's never gonna happen. The idea sounds magnificent though. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to create these little mini cards that are so simple to create. I already have my template here. I already cut it out, okay, using the sample. I already have that ready for me to go right here. Let me get this out of the way so that it doesn't interfere with what we're doing. Okay. The die cuts that I use are from this 12 by 12 paper pad, which I don't recall the name. I will try my best to find out, and I will link it at the bottom of this video. I remember doing an Instagram fed on it, and I did mention the name of the paper pad in that Instagram fed, but I don't recall right now. I will link everything, okay? It's basically a 12 by 12 paper, and it has these little tiny books or like novels. What I did was, on my spare time, I fuzzy cut these a while ago, and I just put them in a little container on the side, so when I need it, I already have them ready for me. And there you go, we need them today, so this is perfect. So I cut a whole bunch of these little novels or little books, and they're really cute and they're just adorable. I love them. I think they're perfect for a lot of projects. So that's what I use for this mini card. Honest to God, I didn't use a lot of things. I used a lot of die cuts. I used a stamp. I used a flower, and that's it. I mean, we really did not use much of anything. So let's put this baby together, okay? I'm using dimensionals from the Dollar Tree. By the way, do you guys want to see a video on what items I recommend for you to use from the Dollar Tree? They have a really, I mean, their selection in crafting stuff is really amazing. And to me, a lot of the things that I use from the Dollar Tree are actually very affordable and good quality. So I was thinking of maybe making a video and showing you a few things that I use from there that kind of works for me and saves you money. I don't know. Thumbs up for that. Okay. Decide on how you want your little front of your mini note card to look, okay? So I like to kind of like see how it looks first before I glue anything down, because I'm never ever sure of myself of what I want to do. So for example, I like the way this looks like right there, right? This, or here, let me put you closer. I like the way this looks like that. So I'm going to keep it like that. I'm going to use a dimension to put in the middle of the little book, only because I want this one to lift up against the other two on the side. Now, if you want to put dimensions on all your little mini books, you can also do that. It's up to you. I'm only going to put dimensions on one, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck in these little books inside. See, I'm going to tuck them in like this, and I'm going to tuck this in like that. That's what I'm going to do. So to tuck it in, I'm going to use double-sided tape. Just like that. And I'm going to use double-sided tape on this end, or on this little book. There you go. Perfect. Now, for the Mother's Day little sign that I have here, how I did this is I had a stamp that I had forever. I'm talking about like years. And it's kind of like Mother's Day related. It had a little Happy Mother's Day little stamp image. And so what I did was I took some like really texture pretty paper. I stamped the Happy Mother's Day. And it looks pretty good. I kind of like the way it looked. I'm not really good at stamping, but this worked. You know, it worked for me. And so I did a circle or an oval shape on this one. And then I did a square shape on this one. I just fuzzy cut the square. I fuzzy cut the oval shape, and bam. That's how I made my little sign. I didn't do anything else, okay? So for the little square, Happy Mother's Day, I'm going to put it right on the left side of my card. I also have some dimensions in the back because I want that to get lifted a little bit and give some nice little height to the sign. Okay, so there you go, right in the little corner. And so far, our card looks so beautiful. The only other thing that I did was I added these beautiful flowers from Michaels. I am obsessed with these flowers. I love them. They are super pricey. They're like $7 a pack. But what I do is when I have a 50% off coupon, I usually go and I buy one, and then I have my husband come with me and I have him buy another one. Because of course you have to use 2 coupons, right? And so every time I find a 50% off coupon, I definitely pick one of these up. I love them. They're beautiful. They're sparkly. They're just magnificent. I love them. So I use one of those flowers to put in the corner of my little mini note card. Just use a little bit of glue, not too much, okay? Just a little tab of glue. And these flowers have felt backing on them, so it makes it easier for you to even glue it down to any surface, okay? And bam, our mini card is complete in the front. You see that? I mean, literally, it took us like, what, 2 seconds to do this? But wait, my lovely crafty friends, we are not done yet. Let's work on the inside of the card. Okay, so for these right here, I did a very simple, nice little, I would say cute decoration for the inside. I added a little die cut here that resembles an open book. I thought it was really cute. And then you can probably write like a little note to your, you know, whoever you're gifting this to, like maybe Happy Mother's Day to a wonderful mom or something around that line. On the other side, I added a very pretty, nice little T. I thought it was cute. I love that it says love on it, and I just thought it was really appropriate. So that's what we're gonna do for this one. Now, don't go crazy, don't go nuts. This tea I found at Home Goods. You can use any tea. I mean, I love using this one because it has love on it, and it kind of really gives me like that Mother's Day, even like Valentine's Day vibe. But you can really use any tea, okay? I don't want you to go nuts and crazy trying to find this tea. Any tea would work fine. As long as the colors coordinate with your note card, it's not gonna be a problem, okay? Don't go crazy. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add the little open book to the side of our little note card, which is going to be basically super simple and easy. Okay, there you go. And then on this side, we're going to add our T. I'm going to add a little bit of double-sided tape to the T in the back. And I'm going to be as precise as I can, trying to make it as even as possible. And I'm going to glue this down or tape it down to the side of the note card, okay? And basically, that is how we create this little tiny note card in no time. Now, for the envelope, again, I'm using the ones that I buy at Michael's. And so I have here these envelopes that I like to use for them. You could make your own envelopes. It would be fabulous if you make your envelopes out of the same paper. That would be beautiful. But you know me, I'm a little lazy, and again, this is one of those things that is a last minute, so you don't have time, right? So in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, let's do this project. We don't have time to make, you know, things last minute. Bam, that's what we get. Okay, so that is how you're going to create this lovely little mini note card in no time. You saw how fast that was, right? You could literally bang out like so many of these in no time. In like 20 minutes, you can do so many of these little note cards. And it's just very presentable and cute. The mommy's gonna receive it, they're gonna love it, they're gonna open it up, they're gonna see that fabulous little T, a nice little handwritten note, and they're going to be happy and excited. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make this adorable little note card. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting a lot of pictures, and I'm going to be working on another video for all my fabulous crafty friends. Okay, honeys, I will see you in a few minutes. I'm probably going to be doing more videos for you guys. I'm going to do as much as I can, and hopefully it's going to at least help someone who maybe, you know, doesn't have time to go out and buy presents, or you know, buy a card, or you know, it's just really, they're very short in time, and so hopefully this might help you. I love you all, and I will see you soon.